Hello everyone. Today we will go through the 4 stages of mantra chanting and what is the ultimate goal in mantra chanting. The first stage is Vachika, that means chanting the mantra loud. When you start mantra chanting, you will start with chanting loud so that you will know chandas and rhythm of the mantra to make sure you are not making mistake. And the second stage is Upanshu, that means you are not chanting loud, you are chanting with whispering sound, where you will be whispering your lips and chanting the mantra. And the third stage is Manasika Japa, that means you are chanting it mentally in your mind. When you are chanting the mantra mentally in your mind, the intention and energy of the mantra is vibrated in your brain. This is the important stage of mantra chanting. After chanting in your mind for a while, the fourth stage is Ajapa. That means you are not chanting the mantra anymore. The mantra will be chanted for you. This is the ultimate goal of any mantra chanting. The intention and energy of the mantra is vibrated in your mind and all over the body. Thank you so much.